Any comments, Charita? Mr. Johnson? This is for YouTube.
Oh, for you too? No, it's wonderful to see that the Seventh-day Adventist Pathfinders, the youngsters came over today to help in the Belvedere cleanup. They're cleaning up, they're painting over some graffiti right now that is left behind by gangs and just, youngsters in the neighborhood that obviously don't have much to do. So it's nice to see that, these youngsters are positive role models in our community that come out to one of the, the communities here on the island and help. So we're very happy with that today.
Belvedere is thanking you guys for your help. Pride Foundation for the material. Youthling and Cold Bay Pathfinders Rangers Club, Mr. Terry, Mr. Johnson, Miss Yadira Vrain. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Anytime.
Mr. Johnson, any comments?
Sure, and we appreciate, on behalf of the Youthling Foundation, the effort that is being done. We hope that residents throughout different districts will also join into the effort. The foundations provide, the trucks provide some volunteers, but it's up to the residents themselves to do the work. And we look forward to different districts also joining in as we go through different districts without, the proper time that we have, that they do their part always. So again, we applaud the young people that have come out today to do the work, as well as the foundation itself that is responsible for this, and we look forward to much more in the future.
Thank you.
You're getting like me.
Mr. Terry, any comments?
The kids come in. I'll go for the kids. Let the kids come in.
Kids, anything to say?
No.
Look at our place. It's amazing.
Oh.
I see your hand on that bit there. She plays with the top. Look at us.